Hello, we are happy to introduce Clean Critically. This is a video series for people who produce and repair excellent product and want to keep getting better. The Clean Critically will present excellent ideas for manufacturers. It's brought to you by the Product Quality Cleaning Workshop teachers, Darren Williams, Ed Kanegsberg, and I'm Barbara Kanegsberg.
And critical cleaning, of course, is a must for success in manufacturing. Most products require cleaning during the manufacturing process, and it's getting more challenging. The parts are getting smaller, the new materials are really challenging, and we have higher cleaning requirements. The particulate requirements are there, and as well as what they call filmic contamination, molecules on the surface. How do you make sure your surface is clean or clean enough for the next process?
And you got to keep the costs
Well,
down.
that's of course true too. Yes.
Oh, yes. And then there's those safety and environmental regulations that keep popping up.
Never happen. It's so
The
relaxing.
problem is that they're often subject to change, so you don't know for sure what's going to be there next year.
And they're complex and they conflict with each other, which is fun.
And this means that they can interfere with your science-based cleaning process, which I hope you have, but and
They interfere with manufacturing efficiency, with profitability.
as PQCW instructors, we scan the regulatory horizon to give you a perspective and present some of the options.
And
Hopefully,
we're convinced that you are not going to have to move to Mars to manufacture effectively.
Now,
So,
many people don't understand how their cleaning works because most schools don't teach it. And that's why we started the cleaning research group here at Sam Houston State, is to sort of develop the next generation of folks in industry who know something about cleaning. Barbara, tell us about the sales reps too.
oh yeah. Well, you can't do it without understanding the suppliers, the sales reps, the folks who make the cleaning agents and the cleaning equipment.
Yeah.
They understand their own product. It is not unheard of for them to promote their own product at the expense of the competition. Sometimes you run into alarmist sales hype. Your process is probably not a ticking time bomb. You should be in a position to not be alarmed, to make good, confident decisions.
So that's where we come in as practical experts in cleaning, contamination, and surface quality.
And Darren, you're going to tell us how we demystify cleaning?
Sure, we do. We talk about the whys, in other words, how it works and why you want to go this way or that way, what's behind the chemistry. We don't favor one over the other. We're not just for aqueous or for solvent cleaning. Both methods have advantages and disadvantages, and there's other kinds of cleaning technologies too, so-called non-chemical cleaning. And the best method depends upon your product, your situation, how clean you need the part, what the follow-on process is. And as a group of instructors and consultants, we don't sell chemicals or cleaning machines or take commissions. You are our only concern. And we try to give you the power to make a wise and informed decision.
So we put together Clean Critically. And Ed and I both love teaching. So one of the reasons we consult rather than do commission work is that we like to educate people. So we have the episodes of Clean Critically. These are short, relaxed tidbits. Most are 8 minutes. I think the longest we've seen is 15 minutes. So you can sit down, relax for a minute, get some ideas and think about it. Upcoming topics can be basics like washing, rinsing, and drying, what happens when there's an emergency, surface tension, cleaning with dish soap, and chemophobia with its friend, political chemistry.
That's right.
We will have new episodes weekly, give or take, and we encourage you to subscribe. So how do you clean critically? Well, in addition to listening to these podcasts, we encourage you to keep asking why. We all have businesses here. We all rent our brains, but we certainly have a lot of educational resources from BFK Solutions and PQCW. For example, from us, there's the Clean Source e-newsletter. This is the official journal of the cleaning lady and the rocket scientist. Comes out monthly, and you can sign up for free. We are also editors of the 2-volume, now classic, Handbook for Critical Cleaning. And Darren, why don't you talk about the PQCW courses?
Sure. On the webpage you see here at shsu.edu/PQCW, we have webinars, sponsored webinars and courses from us, the PQCW team. We also have an on-demand aqueous cleaning course that you can take. And so we put a lot of content on our website. This is our new offering here on YouTube and podcast coming too. So we just want you to stay informed and keep asking why. And if we don't cover a topic that you're especially interested in, please comment on any of these videos, send us an email. That way we know what you're interested in, and we can certainly provide some information for you.
We absolutely welcome your feedback, positive and negative questions, things like that. That's where we get ideas. We're here to help you clean critically. Darren Williams.
That's right.
I'm
Here's our
Barbara
emails.
That's Ed
right.
Kanegsberg. Yeah, there's our email addresses. You know how to find us. We look forward to working with you and seeing how you enjoy our new YouTubes.
That's
What do we
right.
call YouTube? What's the plural of YouTube? YouTube, little video, clean, critical.
Yes. Our
Yeah.
new channel. How about that?
Yeah.